Hi viewers, welcome to VRR Tutorials. In this video, we are going to learn some of the phobias and some of one-word substitutes. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం కొన్ని phobias గురించి and one-word substitutes కొన్ని నేర్చుకోబోతున్నాం. If you find this video is useful, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. So already I made number of videos on phobia and one-word substitutes. So if you want to know them, you can actually watch our previous videos. So let's go to the topic. Some of the phobias. Anglphobia. So Anglo in the sense English. So fear of English language is called Anglphobia. Manaki English ante bhayam unte, that is Anglphobia. Anthrophobia. Anthro means male. Okay. Fear of men. Fear of men is called Anthrophobia. Fear of men is called Anthrophobia. Next, Gynophobia. Gynophobia. Fear of women. Gyne in the sense woman. Okay. Gynophobia in the sense fear of women. Next word, cacophobia. Cacophobia. Fear of ugliness. Fear of ugliness. Anglphobia. Anglphobia in the sense fear of crowd. Fear of crowd is Anglphobia. Next, Heminthophobia. Heminthophobia in the sense fear of insects. Heminthophobia, fear of insects. Fear of insects is called Heminthophobia. Next, chromophobia. Chromophobia, fear of color. Fear of color. Next, Anthrophobia. Anthrophobia in the sense fear of human beings, people, or Anthrophobia. Next, Anthophobia. Anthophobia. The anthro, fear of human beings or people, R is there in that. This is Anthophobia. Fear of flowers. Fear of flowers. Next, Nomophobia. N-O-M-O. Nomophobia. In the sense, fear of not having mobile phone. These days, this word actually exists in the online dictionaries also. N-O-M-O, Nomo or Nomophobia. Nomophobia, which means fear of not having mobile phone. So the next word is Logophobia. Logophobia in the sense, logo means words. Fear of words. Padalante bayam undadam. Okay. Fear of words is called Logophobia. So next we have some of the one word substitutes. Let's go through them. Xanthophile. Xanthophile. The spelling is X-A-N-T-H-O. Xanthophile means lover of color yellow. Lover of color yellow is Xanthophile. Pluviophile. P-L-U-V-I-O-P-H-I-L-E. Pluviophile means the lover of rain. The lover of rain. A person who loves rain. Pluviophile. P-L-U-V-I-O-P-H-I-L-E. Pluviophile. The lover of rain is called pluviophile. Next, Philologous. Philologous. Lover of words. Philologous. Lover of words. Next, Bibliocleft in the sense a person who steals books is a Bibliocleft. Spelling is K-L-E-P-T. Biblioklept. B-I-B-L-I-O. Biblio. K-L-E-P-T. K-L-E-P-T. Biblioklept. The spelling is. Biblioclept means one who steals books. One who steals books. Biblioclept. Next, Logomaniac. Logomaniac in the sense a person who is obsessed with words. అంటే వాడికి ఎప్పుడు వర్డ్స్తోనే ఉంటాడు. ఓకే, అబ్సెస్డ్ విత్ వర్డ్స్. అబ్సెస్డ్ విత్ వర్డ్స్. పదాలంటే అబ్సెస్డ్ అయి ఉంటాడు ఎప్పుడు. Logomaniac. నెక్స్ట్, Aquaphile. Aquaphile in the sense aqua means water related things. A person who loves water and seas. Aquaphile. Melomaniac. Melomaniac. Melomaniac in the sense a person who loves music. A person who loves music is a melomaniac. Discophile, a person who loves sounds. Okay, discophile. So these are the one word substitutes and some of the phobias. If you have any related to these phobias and one word substitutes, please post in our query group. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.